Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use the activation code on www.pch.com/final. If you've received an activation code and you're ready to claim your prize or enter a sweepstakes, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the website. Open your web browser and type www.pch.com/final into the address bar. This will direct you to the official page where you can enter your activation code. Step 2. Locate the activation code field. Once the page has loaded, look for a section that asks you to enter your activation code. This is usually clearly marked, and the field will be easy to spot on the page. Step 3. Enter the activation code. Take the activation code you've received, either via email or mail, and carefully type it into the activation code field on the website. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, including any dashes or special characters. Step 4. Click on Activate or Submit. After entering your activation code, click on the button labeled Activate or Submit. This will confirm your code and allow you to proceed to the next steps. Step 5. Complete any additional steps. Once your code is activated, you may need to complete additional steps, such as entering personal information, confirming your prize, or signing up for offers. Follow the prompts on the website to finish the process. Step 6. Confirmation. After completing all the required steps, you should receive a confirmation message stating that your activation was successful. You can now enjoy the rewards or participate in the sweepstakes you've entered. Step 7. Troubleshoot activation issues. If you encounter any issues while entering your activation code, try the following. Double-check the code for any typos. Ensure you're using the correct code for the right page. Sometimes codes are specific to certain promotions. If the code doesn't work, you can contact customer support for further assistance. That's it. You've successfully activated your code on www.pch.com/final. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Thanks for watching.